I'm James McDonald. I'm the director of Newy Tech People. Newy Tech People is a recruitment company focusing in the technology space, specifically in Newcastle. So we're born and bred in Newcastle, really grown, trying to look after the Newcastle area, looking after the growth of that technology community. Innovation, it can be so broad and the terminology can be so different. Everyone looks at it slightly different, but a lot of it really comes down to problem solving and looking at a problem with maybe a different lens or a different way of doing things. It doesn't have to be something brand new out of the box. Some of the best companies and the most successful companies is just a slight tangent or a slight differentiation on the way it's traditionally been done. And I think sometimes that's overlooked. We've started 5 years ago, specifically in that technology space, and the technology space and innovation in Newcastle has changed so significantly over that time. Newcastle doesn't do a great job of tooting its own horn sometimes. We do a lot of really cool things. That's what we're trying to do as Newy Tech People. It's the backbone of who we are and what we do. We sponsor nearly any technology related meetup or event that's local. And I think if we continue to do that and build the community here, it not only helps the tech professionals, but it helps the companies and we'll have success as a whole. There was a time 5 to 10 years ago where students would come out of Newcastle University with computer science degrees and not have any jobs locally and would have to move away and move to Sydney, Melbourne and other capital cities. And it's been really interesting to see the growth of Newcastle, where there's opportunities not only for students to have opportunities locally and grow a career, but also to attract some other talent back to Newcastle. And you see those people bring a different skill set and bring a different lens. They've worked on different maybe scale of projects. And again, for those people to come back to Newcastle, have the opportunity to work in Newcastle, and then also mentor that next brigade, I think it's good for the community and the growth as a whole.